India is witnessing huge armies of locust swarms in 27 years. Images that would crawl under your skin flooded the internet over the past few days. For many, the name locust was obscure. But locusts are no new creatures, as they belong to the family of grasshoppers and are described as the oldest migratory pest in the world. Three characteristics of the locust set them apart from grasshoppers. First, the nature of swarming. These guys swarm in millions, whereas grasshoppers are mostly individual. Second, their migratory nature of traveling 100 to 200 kilometers in a day. Third, they are extremely voracious, where they eat almost half to full of their body weight in a day. Now, there are several kinds of locusts, and the ones that are currently taking over most of the northwestern states of India are the desert locusts. Mind you, these desert locusts are the most destructive of the lot as they can change their behavior and color, grow bigger when they form swarms. Interestingly, the desert locust is mentioned as a curse to mankind in ancient writings like Mahabharata and Quran. Where did it all start? The locust swarming in India is actually an annual phenomenon. Locusts are spread out over northern parts of Africa, which is Saharan and sub-Saharan region. This region also extends to northeast African countries like Sudan and Egypt, from where these desert locusts migrate towards India by either crossing the ocean or crossing Middle Eastern countries. In the current situation, excess rains in Africa triggered a breeding boom, and the armies of swarms entered India through Balochistan, Iran, and Pakistan. Locust attacks have been reported from states bordering Pakistan like Rajasthan and Gujarat. They also migrated to Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, and Uttar Pradesh. With a new breeding pocket identified recently in Pakistan, fresh swarms of locusts are reported in Rajasthan.
During this month, this is the unique, means not previously such type of attack was there in the previous years. From Rajasthan, it is going towards the MP and also some parts of Jhansi, UP and Agra. So these are the districts which are affected some with these swarms, which are leftover population. Although we are controlling where it is settling in the night and morning, we are spraying the chemical malathion 96% ULV with the help of the ULV vehicle mounted power sprayers and tractor mounted power sprayers and some firefighters. We have treated the 45 more than 45,000 hectares treated, and it is still spread in more than 1,000 hectares.
According to agricultural experts, this locust attack would not make any dent in the agricultural economy as there is no standing crop in summer.
In January, we had crop standing in the fields. The Rabi crop was standing in the fields, and we had an attack of locusts at that point in time. In fact, it was so bad that Pakistan declared the emergency. On this side, what we found was that at that point in time, though the kind of reportage echoed a lot of fear, it ended up not affecting large amounts of land. It did not make any kind of dent in the agricultural fortunes of Rabi season. Right now, the reporting once again shows a certain degree of fear kind of a thing, and they are reporting that it has moved on into Madhya Pradesh and Vidarbha of Maharashtra. Now, if that has happened, that is very unusual, so it can have consequences. The areas still are not very wide. The biggest problem that we will see is if this survives till the monsoons. Monsoons kind of encourage them to breed, and new generations can happen in a large way after the rains happen.
Locals from heavily affected district Barmer in Rajasthan said that locusts were feeding on pomegranate, dates, and khejri trees in the absence of crops. They also climbed vessels and blasted loud horns to shoo the locusts away.
काले आई है
अच्छा
देखो खेतों में नुकसान घणो कियो खेत अरे खेलड़ी होंक रही कई कोने गोनो रे खोका आता खान हारो भाई खेलड़ी होंगरी बढ़िया आई तो होंगरी है खाए जाड़े गई की गोना खावे की मोह से की खावे हैं खा को झाड़ जुड़े कर कंप्लीट कर गई वो तो को में अगले सीजन मरी हुई थी तो बस किसों ने लिए तो बहुत मौत है क्योंकि जीरो बीज मोल जानो है हाथों 500 रुपया दे मोल जानो और गदर पे खाद है बीज है यूरिया है अड़ाई है बस किसों तो तीड़ी खाए गए तो की मिलनो कहीं है
The UN's Food and Agriculture Organization has warned that the generation of swarms will increase by 400-fold in the next 6 months. Given that each swarm of locusts can eat as much food as 35,000 humans can eat in a day, the numbers quoted by FAO is a definite cause of concern for India, which is currently grappling with the COVID crisis.